Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi, and as mentioned before, these are the series of interviews that we are conducting for the startup of the month. And for today's interview, we have Mr. Mahesh Kumar, who is the MD of the company Canny Mind. He is a mechanical engineer graduate with post graduation in HR. He is having more than 20 years of experience in handling document related solutions for leading MNCs and NBFCs. He has handled more than 1000 employees in his previous organization too. Now let's jump into the interview directly. Hello, sir. Good evening. And I am More Tanvi from SL, that is Startup Lanes, and I welcome you and thank you for this interview. So I request you to introduce yourself.
Good evening. I'm Mahesh Kumar.
Yes.
Basically, I'm a mechanical engineer and I have a post graduation in HR. I have over 20 plus years of experience in mostly document related document handling, and I was previously handling a company wherein more than 1000 employees were employed. So I have a fair bit of experience in both HR as well as in the document related management companies. This is my background.
Okay, sir. So, by starting the interview, my first question to you is that how did you come up with this idea of your startup?
See, actually, we were always wanting to do something on our own, actually. And being we are having a document management background and with HR and all, so we thought of developing an innovative product towards this document management as well as HR. So we came up the idea of having Canny Dogs and Canny HR, both these products. And cumulatively, we were having around 50 plus years of experience. We three directors of the company, we are having cumulatively around 50 years of experience in this field, actually. So we thought to give some product in the market which is not available in the market, kind of thing.
Okay. So what was the most difficult part when you started early, like in the early stages of your company?
We had an innovative idea to develop the project, and we have developed the product. But the difficult part is to face competition. There were already a lot of players in the market, actually, who were giving similar kind of product, who were giving similar product kind of product. But to convince the customer to have a look at our product, say for example, for giving a demo of the product itself, it's very difficult, actually. But once we convince the customer to have the demo of our product, most of the customers were inclined towards our product because of the unique features we were having in the product.
Yes, sir. So what was the gap that you identified in your particular market?
The products in the market were not user friendly, and for each and every change request where the customer requires some customization, they were charged exorbitantly. So there was a gap, actually, between the requirement and the need of the customer. That is what we found, that there is a gap, actually, wherein we can fill in with our product, where we give the customers the value for their product, money.
Okay. So if you're talking about product, can you explain the business model in detail?
Yeah, we are very flexible with the customers, actually, customer requirement. We give the customers the customized solution without charging them anything extraordinarily. For example, we offer the customers SaaS model, and we offer the customers with hybrid model, and we offer the customers with an on-premises model. So whichever suits the customer, actually. We are not very rigid saying that we will do only this, we will do only that kind of a thing. We were very friendly to the customer, actually.
Okay. Yeah. So if you're talking, you talked about income early. So I wanted to ask that in your early stages, did the family members or friends help you while funding?
This is basically a bootstrap company, actually, wherein we have funded on our own whatever savings we were having with our earlier working experience and earlier company where we have worked, actually. We started off this company with the money what we had, actually.
Okay. And did you approach the investors like in any time of your company?
So far, no, actually. So far, we are good, actually, with the money, whatever we have got, actually. But in the longer run, we are having plans to bring in key investors into the company, actually.
Sir, in the long run, like in the coming years, what are the few factors that will impact your company?
If you see now, every other company is looking out for paperless solutions. And during this pandemic, most of the companies have realized the need for automation. where approvals and other key decisions to be taken remotely, which, which is taken to be remotely, which has got good scope actually. So the Canny Docs, which is one of our basic product, Canny Docs has got a very good scope during this time, during this pandemic time and all. And whereas as far as HR, which is one additional product of us, this Canny HR during this time of pandemic and other things, where most of the companies are looking in for working from home culture, where the employees need to be monitored with the relevant data actually.
Okay.
Employees can be monitored remotely, but you will have to give in the relevant data for the company.
True.
To speak to the employees and to extract maximum out of them. So these are all the two key points wherein we are looking to grow at this point of time.
Okay. So if you're talking about growth, are you planning to hire fresh talents in your company? And if yes, then what are the traits you're looking for?
Yes, definitely we would like to employ fresh bloods in our company actually.
Yes.
And we are the company who believe in actually talents rather than looking into the scores of the persons actually. So we believe mostly in the talent of the employee.
So, but still, like few traits, if you're looking for in the fresh talents, we would like to know what are they.
The key factor is that the confidence they have in our company and the confidence we have in them. This will take us a long way, both us and as well as the employee. This is what we will be looking at. Whatever training we are going to give to them, this should be fruitful for us as well as to the employee also.
Okay. Sir, as you said before that you are the director of the company. So I would like to know what are, according to you, the personality traits of a good leader.
A good leader should always take his team into confidence.
Yeah.
And have a long time vision for both the company as well as for the employees who are associated with that. Then he can be a very good leader and he can succeed. That's what I believe in.
Okay. So, sir, what are the good parts and what are the bad parts of being a director of a company?
Well, that's a very good question.
Yeah.
as a director of the company, you can be independent. No one is there to question you.
Yeah.
You are all on your own. But at the same time, you are responsible for the decisions what you are taking.
Yes, sir. True.
Whatever decision you are taking, you completely hold 100% hold responsibility for this.
Yeah. So the responsibility part is little like comes with the bad part.
Yeah. So it has to be balanced, right?
Yeah, true. Sir, so I want to know next that describe a time you had making a tough decision. For example, like budget cuts, organizational restructuring, or market withdrawals, etc. And what did you do? And what are the results now?
We are having a fixed growth path for the company for the we have a 3-year plan, we have a 5-year plan kind of thing, and we were almost going on the same phase what we were expected to grow. But suddenly, due to this pandemic, like our growth plan has got delayed, and hence we need to restructure our entire plan and postpone certain key product launches kind of a thing.
Yes. Sir, so like whatever you have planned, what are the results now? Like, are you working on it or what exactly?
Yeah, at this point of time, the expected growth was not there, so the new launches have got delayed. But what we are doing is to keep ourselves engaged. We are getting in touch with the customers by organizing webinars kind of thing, and to give demonstration of our products through online, through Zoom meetings and all. So that is where we are trying to market our project and take it to the customers actually. At least the customer will have a feel. Now most of the customers are having time. We can take it to the customers and the customers are having a first-hand feel like kind of a thing.
Yeah.
So that once it is opened up, we can talk to the customers. It will be easy for us.
Okay. So, sir, are you looking for any vendors to help you simplify any part of your business?
Yeah, actually, we are open for channel partners where geographically we are not present.
Okay.
So we are having an idea of having this company spread worldwide actually. In certain parts of the globe, we are having our presence. For example, USA, Nigeria kind of thing. We already have our presence, and we are planning to have it in UK and Zambia and all. So in the longer run, we are planning to have our channel partners who whereby it will be easy for us to spread our wings faster, rather than we going and establishing that. That is what we are looking at.
So my last question to you is that what are the recent and long-term plans?
Well, we have got plans to list our company in the BSE in the next 3 years,
Mm-hmm.
as well as, and we want to take it up to the next level by listing it in NSE also. So that
Okay.
is what our long-term mission is.
Yeah. Sir, lastly, if you want to say something to your viewers or our viewers, it will be great.
Yeah, this is a company, like, wherein we are expecting a rapid growth,
Yeah.
and mostly we have got a very good growth path, and like for the next few years we can see this company as one of the leading companies in the field
Mhm.
actually.
Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, it was great having you on the board, and thank you so much for this interview.
Thank you.
I hope you have liked this, and if you have liked this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. And if you need more information regarding our company, do visit our website called startuplanes.com. Thank you.